Hello everyone, a warm welcome to you all from SGT University. I am Vaidya Ravis, Professor, Faculty of Indian Medical System. Today we will be learning drug Jati Phala. Nutmeg, Myristica fragrans, belonging to the family Myristicaceae, is a spice seed from the fruit of a tropical evergreen tree. Mace is derived from the seed coat. It is an aromatic evergreen tree with spreading branches and a yellow fleshy fruit similar in appearance to an apricot or peach. It's a plant with a characteristic scent that possesses multiple medicinal applications, being used to treat stomach ulcers, indigestion, liver disorders, and as an emmenagogue, diuretic, diphoretic, and is also aphrodisiac. Nutmeg essential oil has been used as a natural flavoring agent and as a perfume in the cosmetic industries. Owing to its demonstrated antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, nutmeg essential oil is considered to be a promising biopreservative. It has potential anticancerous and biocidal activities. The toxicity of nutmeg is uncertain, although case reports suggest that if ingested doses are sufficient, acute toxicity can occur. 2 tablespoons of ground nutmeg, 1 to 3 whole nutmegs, or 5 grams of powdered nutmeg may cause clinical signs of hallucinations, nausea, and severe emesis. Nutmeg was probably imported into Europe during the 12th century by Arab merchants. It has been used in the folk medicine for multiple purposes. Now let's look into botanical name of Jati Phala. Myristica fragrans, and is named by scientist Hout. Family belongs to Myristicaceae family. Vernacular names of Jati Phala are, in English it is called mace or nutmeg. In Hindi, Jaipatri, Jaifal. Now let's look into paryaya or synonyms of drug Jati Phala. Malati Phala, Shaluka, Majjasara, Sumana Phala, Jatija, Somanasyani, Putta. Let's look into each synonyms as it helps to identify and explain the morphology and characteristic of the drug. Jati Kosha name suggests the mace or the covering which is present on the fruit. Based on this, naming has been suggested. Malati Phala is because the fragrant smell which is known for this drug, where Malati means jasmine. Jasmine suggests the fragrance. Majjasara, the part used is majja or internal part of the fruit. Sumana Phala, one which brings about saumanasya or soothing to the mind. Jatija, it has got fragrance in it, or it is a abode for fragrance. Saumanasyani, again it suggests the one which appeases mind or brings soothing to the mind. Drug Jati Phala belongs to Shukrastambhaka Gana according to Sharangara Samhita. Let's explore Utpattisthana or habitat of Jati Phala. It is endemic to Western Ghats of Karnataka and Kerala. This species is native of eastern Moluccas, now cultivated in many tropical countries of both hemispheres. In India, it is cultivated in Assam, West Bengal, and southern parts of India. It's also available in Malay Peninsula, Penang, and Sri Lanka. Beda or varieties of Jati Phala. Classically, there are no varieties, but botanically, Myristica malabarica and Myristica dactyloides are the other varieties which are available or which is used for adulteration. And apart from this, Nema attenuata is another source which is available widely in Western Ghats of Karnataka, is also used as an adulterant for Jati Phala. This is because all these have got similarity in fruits. Now let's look into morphology or Swarupa of Jati Phala. This plant is dioecious tree. The seed is obtained from the female plants. Plant thrives well in warm, humid climate and grown in locations from sea level to an altitude of 900 meters. It's a medium-sized and spreading tree, often growing to 30 to 40 feet tall. The smooth bark is light, greenish brown or grayish brown in color with slender branches. Leaves are elliptical to ovoid, acuminate, 2 to 4 cm long, petiolate, dark shiny surface. Secondary nerves are 2 to 3 pairs. Flowers are small, fragrant, yellow and generally occurs post-rainy season. Fruits are ovoid, 3 to 8 cm in diameter, resemble to that of guava fruit. It is surrounded by aerial and fleshy rind. Pale yellow and thick is the rind. Outer shell is thick and hard. On drying it is brownish in color. Covering the seed is detached from the seed shell by hand and the shells are dried in the sun, which takes about 4 to 8 weeks for drying. Alternatively, they can be dried by artificial heat. After drying, the shells are broken up and the kernels are removed for the extraction of the nutmeg oil. Prayojyanga or part used in Jati Phala is seed, seed coat and oil. Seed coat is speciality of Jati Phala, which is also called as maize. Chemical composition. Nutmeg contains 25 to 30% fixed oils and 5 to 15% volatile oils, which contains camphene, eugenol and also other molecules such as myristic acid, myristicin, lignin compounds. It also contains beta-pipin, alpha-terpinin, safrole, methyl-eugenol, trimyrticin, myristic acid. Volatile oil present is 2 to 8%. It also contains stable oil. The volatile oil fraction contains dozens of terpenes and phenylpropanoids including dipenine, limonene, diborneol, L-terpinol, geraniol, safrole and myristicin. In its pure form, myristicin is a toxin and consumption of excessive amounts of nutmeg can result in myristicin poisoning. Stable oil from this fruit is also known as nutmeg butter. Among the molecules in this, eugenol is widely used in dentistry and it is very effective in antibacterial activity against oral bacteria. However, only a few studies have been conducted using nutmeg extracts against oral bacteria. Now let's explore into properties of Jati Phala. Jati Phala contains Tikta, Katu and Kashaya as its rasa. Guna or qualities possessed by Jati Phala are Lagu, Tikshna and Snigdha. Virya or active principle or potency is Ushna. Katu, Doshagnata, it is Vata Kapha Shamaka and slightly Pittakara. So today we have covered drug jati phyllus, botanical name, vernacular name, Gana, Rasapanchaka and chemical combustion. In our next lecture we will be studying drug jati phyllus, karma, uses and research updates. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time.